Welcome back to another episode of Renegade's Garage. Today, you're tuning in to part 2 of the rock lights install on the Runaway camper. So let's get started and I'll catch you up to where I'm at right now. Okay. So last night, I got the brackets all painted up. One of these are for my buddy. I was going to do 2 under lights for my camper, but upon further inspection, my hitch and spare tire, I think, are in the way. I'm doing a second one, so I think I'm only going to do one for right now. So those are the finished products. I got the first one. I made 3 of these last night. It's sanded down and ready and kind of mounted, so I'll show you guys underneath. Okay, now we're underneath the trailer. We got the spots sanded down, got the sides of the metal sanded down on both sides. I'm getting ready to throw some welds on it, take the bracket off. I got some washers I grind down flat on one side. I'm gonna at least weld one to the frame right there. Probably one there, then one over on here and one over there. I'm gonna run the wiring for this through it, because one of the wires coming through my through bolt right there is the wiring for these. Okay, now I'm on the other side of the trailer. I'll show you right now. This is my wiring for the other lights, and this is my wiring for my solar panel, which you guys will see here shortly, because that video is going to come out. But I welded these washers, or just this normal washer. I grinded one side completely flat. And that's why I had the wire. It's going to go through there, then around, then through there, then through that one, and over to the mount right there. Okay, got the light all done, got the mount on, painted, bolted on, got the wiring all done, wrapped around. When I wired the light, I grounded it to my junction box for the 7-way, which I completely forgot is not connected to the onboard battery. So what I ended up doing was just grounding it through the plug for the solar panel, so that runs to the battery in the side. Got that ground there, got it over, I got the light hooked up right there. Now I grounded it to the box too, so now the chassis ground is connected to the battery inside. I'm not entirely sure if that's the correct way to do it, but it's the way I did. I got the washers all painted as well, holding my wiring. So yeah, it's all good. I could take a video and picture of it on tonight and show you guys how it looks. So moment of truth. It's now raining, so I moved the camper right at the carport. So go on the side here, nice and dark. You can see right here where my light switches are. I have it set up where it says underglow. That works pretty good. Well, I have a step right here usually, so when I get out at night, I'll see where the step is, so I don't have to turn the side light on, which should be this one. So that'll be pretty good at night. Have both on from just kind of hanging out, chilling. But I just have to get up to use the restroom at night, and just turn this one on so I'm not blinding the people next to me. Yeah, works pretty good. And inside light, in case you guys have not seen it. There we go.